Welcome to our roundup of the best audiophile integrated amplifiers of 2026, where stunning engineering meets breathtaking sound. Whether you're building your dream listening room or upgrading a long-loved system, today's integrated amps deliver more power, refinement, and connectivity than ever before. From network streaming to hybrid tube solid-state designs, this year's lineup proves that one-box solutions no longer mean compromise. We're covering 5 exceptional contenders: the HiFi Rose RS520, Rotel RA-6000, Amplifiers A12 Classic, McIntosh MA252, and NAD Electronics M33V2. Let's find your perfect match. If you've ever dreamed of one box doing everything, and doing it beautifully, the HiFi Rose RS520 might just be the end game you've been looking for. At its core, the RS520 is a 200-watt per-channel integrated amplifier paired with a full network streamer, all built around the legendary ESS Sabre ES9038 Pro DAC. That's a serious chipset, and it shows in the sound. Detailed, dynamic, and remarkably clean across the entire frequency range. The build quality is equally impressive. The chassis is milled from a solid aluminum block, which doesn't just look premium, it actively fights micro vibrations that can color your audio. This is the kind of engineering attention you'd expect at this price point. Then there's that 12.6-inch touchscreen. Running HiFi Rose's own Rose OS, it displays album art, music videos, and even custom VU meters in 4K at 60 FPS. Forget knobs and dials. This is a fully immersive interface. Streaming support covers everything: Apple Music, Tidal, Qobuz, Spotify, Roon, AirPlay, Bluetooth, and even YouTube through the custom RoseTube app. You can also drop in a 2.5-inch SSD for local storage and offline caching. The GaN FET amplifier technology, borrowed from HiFi Rose's flagship RA-180, keeps the unit cool, quiet, and devastatingly powerful. Bottom line, the RS520 is one of the most complete all-in-one audiophile systems on the market today. Highly recommended. 6 decades of Japanese engineering excellence. That's the legacy behind the Rotel RA-6000, and every detail of this amplifier reflects that heritage. Let's start with the power. The RA-6000 delivers 350 watts per channel into 4 ohms using Class AB amplification. A design that strikes the perfect balance between raw muscle and sonic refinement. Whether you're driving demanding floor-standing speakers or pushing dynamic peaks in orchestral recordings, this amplifier handles it with complete authority. The sound is precise, controlled, and effortlessly engaging. Connectivity is where the RA-6000 really earns its price tag. On the digital side, you get 24-bit 192 kHz inputs, an asynchronous PC USB input supporting up to 32-bit 384 kHz, full MQA decoding, and Roon-tested certification. Analog fans aren't left out either. A dedicated moving magnet phono stage makes this an excellent choice for vinyl enthusiasts. It genuinely bridges the gap between old-school audiophile listening and modern streaming setups. Control options are equally thoughtful. The front panel is clean and intuitive. The dual-line display is easy to read, and the backlit IR remote feels solid in hand. For custom install integrations, Ethernet, RS232, and 12-volt trigger inputs cover all the bases. Available in classic black or silver, the RA-6000 looks as serious as it sounds. This is Rotel at its absolute best. Powerful, versatile, and built with the kind of precision that only 60 years of expertise can produce. A genuine statement piece for any serious audiophile system. What if you could have the warmth of tubes, the punch of solid state, and enough connectivity to run an entire home audio setup, all in one amplifier? That's exactly what Amplifiers is offering with the A12 Classic. Building on the success of the A10, the A12 steps up with a true dual mono construction. 2 separate toroidal transformers, one for each channel. This isn't just a spec sheet flex. Dual mono means lower crosstalk, better channel separation, and a noticeably blacker background. The result is a soundstage that feels wide, deep, and genuinely three-dimensional. The real magic, though, is in those two tubes on the pre-amplification stage. They add just enough warmth and harmonic richness to take the edge off digital sources without sacrificing detail or dynamics. It's the best of both worlds. Tube musicality with Class A/B authority. Connectivity is where the A12 Classic truly stands out. HDMI, AES EBU, USB, multiple optical and coaxial inputs, phono for both MM and MC cartridges, balanced XLR pre-outs, dual subwoofer outputs, and optional aptX HD Bluetooth. This amplifier is ready for virtually any source you throw at it. Two separate speaker zones add even more flexibility for multi-room setups. For the price, the A12 Classic punches well above its weight. If you want tube-flavored sound without committing to a full tube system, this is one of the smartest buys on the market right now. There are amplifiers that simply play music. And then there are amplifiers that make you feel something the moment you lay eyes on them. The McIntosh MA252 is firmly in the second category. This is McIntosh's first hybrid integrated amplifier, and the concept is brilliant. Two vacuum tubes sit proudly on top of the chassis, glowing warmly behind protective cages, drawing direct inspiration from the legendary MC275. But beneath that nostalgic aesthetic lives a thoroughly modern solid-state power stage delivering 100 watts into 8 ohms and 160 watts into 4 ohms. It's a combination that genuinely works. The sound reflects that hybrid philosophy perfectly. The tube preamplifier stage adds that unmistakable warmth, dimensionality, and organic texture that audiophiles chase for years, while the solid-state output section brings control, authority, and dynamic precision. Vocals are lush, imaging is precise, and the overall presentation is effortlessly musical, without ever sounding soft or colored. Connectivity is all analog and thoughtfully designed, with customizable input naming, bass and treble tone controls, and a full-range subwoofer output. The OLED display keeps everything clean and legible. Reliability is McIntosh Grade 2. PowerGuard prevents clipping, and the fuseless Sentry Monitor short-circuit protection ensures this amplifier will be on your rack for decades. The MA252 isn't just an amplifier, it's a statement. Stunning to look at, exceptional to listen to, and built to last a lifetime. If you can stretch the budget, this one is absolutely worth it. NAD has taken one of the finest streaming integrated amplifiers ever made, and made it even better. Meet the Masters M33 V2. And it is genuinely impressive. At its heart is NAD's second-generation Purify Eigentakt Class D amplifier technology. Precise, powerful, and remarkably efficient. Paired with a brand new ESS Sabre ES9039 Pro DAC and upgraded ADC components, the M33 V2 delivers a level of timing accuracy and resolution that gets you closer to the original recording than most amplifiers at any price. The improvement in signal-to-noise ratio over the original M33 is clearly audible. Blacker backgrounds, sharper imaging, and a more emotionally engaging presentation overall. Dirac Live Room Correction comes built in, and with the optional bass control license, you can individually calibrate your main speakers and subwoofers to your specific room. 5 customizable memory profiles mean you can switch between setups instantly. This is a game changer for real-world listening. Streaming is handled by the excellent BlueOS platform, Rune-ready, MQA certified, with support for Tidal, Qobuz, Amazon Music HD, Spotify, and over 25 services. The 7-inch touchscreen makes navigation effortless. AirPlay 2, aptX HD Bluetooth, and Alexa, Google, and Siri voice control round out a remarkably complete package. Add a premium MC phono stage, a high-current headphone amplifier, dual subwoofer outputs, and 2 MDC expansion slots, and the M33 V2 becomes virtually future-proof. This is the modern audiophile amplifier, fully realized. And there you have it. 5 of the finest integrated amplifiers money can buy in 2026. Whether you're drawn to the HiFi Rose RS520's streaming elegance, the Rotel RA-6000's muscular precision, the Advanced Paris A12's timeless warmth, the McIntosh MA252's iconic hybrid magic, or the NAD-M33 V2's cutting-edge power. Each amplifier brings something truly special to your listening space. The best amp is ultimately the one that moves you. Drop your questions and favorites in the comments. Subscribe for more HiFi AV deep dives. And as always, trust your ears. Happy listening.